This video connects the general concept of a stochastic discount factor to linear factor models. Now you should already now take as a learning point that every factor model postulates a specific stochastic discount factor. So basically every linear k-factor model for returns assumes that all assets in the investment universe are priced with the following SDF. It has the specific shape of minus RT in the drift and minus the Sharpe ratios of each risk factor as the conditional volatility, and as the Brownian shocks we have the systematic sources of risk that the factor model postulates. Now let's take an example. The CAPM is a one-factor model, so it implies the following SDF, where DBM is the return shock to the wealth portfolio and SRMT is the expected Sharpe ratio of the market portfolio. So SRMT can be formally defined as follows, where SM is the price of the market portfolio and sigma M is the return volatility of the market portfolio.